Hi everyone, it's Irena, and today I'm going to do some juicing, and then from the pulp I'll make muffins. Now this is what I like to do every day. I like to make juice, and when possible I will always turn them into muffins, or I'll put the pulp into a cake or into whatever I'm cooking that evening, because it's really good fibre and I just don't like wasting it because it's so good. So I'm going to do that today. I'll start with the juice. So let's go straight in. Celery. Some carrots. Orange, some apple, and that's it. So now I've juiced my fruit and vegetables into this fabulous juice that I have for breakfast in the morning. And then I turn the rest, now I'm going to turn it into muffins. So we'll start by just taking this fantastic pulp, I'll just pop that back. Fantastic pulp back into here, and I love this spatula because it fits perfectly for the juicer. There it is. Okay. Now if you want to add zucchini or something like that in it, now's the time, because then you can actually just grate it up first. But there it is, there's my pulp, and now I'm going to just throw everything else in here. There's flour and sugar. You'll have, the recipe should be there on the top listed. There's flour and sugar. We have 2 eggs. We have some butter, so it's melted butter. Okay, I'll just use my finger there. Some butter and some milk. Now, you don't have to use milk. You can actually use the juice, or you can use buttermilk. It's really entirely up to you. I'm just going to pop the milk in there today because I'm going to drink this juice. It's so delicious. All right, so now we're going to just close it. Turn it on. And your muffins are ready to go into their little muffin containers. So I'm using an ice cream scoop because it's the easiest way I know how to scoop it across. So there it is. And I use 2 scoops into each one of these. Okay, puff it. So 2 scoops, I'll go for another one. Yeah. This is a great way of getting vegetables into your children, by the way. So if you can't get certain vegetables into them, you can put them in, then you would never know. You would never know. It just tastes like a sweet cake, really, and it's got lots of goodness in it. Now, I'll continue to do that later and throw them in the oven, into a moderate oven, about 180, 190, and for about 30 minutes. Okay, so then what you pull out of the oven are these fantastic muffins. Now, they're terrific. You can freeze them. Okay, put them in little plastic bags and put them in the freezer for later. They're great for lunches, great for morning teas, great for children's snacks when they come from school, or they're really nice to give to the neighbours. You know, and that's what I often do. I knock on the door and say, hey, would you like some muffins? Or, you know, anyone you like. So really great, easy to do. Only took me a few seconds, really a few minutes. And look at them. They're just delicious and soft and moist and beautiful. And so Here. Good. And you can change the amount of sugar to suit yourself. Yeah. Okay, enjoy. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, if you like making muffins. And you might like to actually tell me what your favourite muffin recipe is, because, or what you like to add into them. You can use the same recipe and just add different things. Okay, see ya.